This is the situation of a major road in Uyo. Just exercise my franchise as a citizen of Nigeria. I am particularly happy with the way this is being coordinated. Everybody is on the queue. I actually hope to post this video today, but if I do not end up posting this video today, you're going to see it pretty soon. Hey beautiful people, it's election morning, and yes, we are all we have. We are one Nigeria. I am ready, like I am super ready. I'm driving on the road right now. I'm actually, I think it's 7:20 right now. I'm driving towards my polling unit. My polling unit is just around. My polling unit, sorry, I had to pause the music. Timi Dakolo's song, We Are All We Have. Yeah, so like I was saying, my polling unit is at somewhere close to my husband's family house. I choose that polling unit, that's because I just wanted to be around family while voting. I hope, let me wind up a bit. All right, so I'm heading there right now. I am ready, I am set. I'll be showing you the things I have come with, my medications. I have already packed my breakfast. I'll just show you what I have here. And yes, I hope you did vote, because by the time this video would be up, you know, it would have been past election day. So I'll be carrying you guys. I don't know. I'll see how I can actually carry you guys along, but if I can't, you'll be watching this video, like I said, a lot after the election day. Guys, you won't believe what just happened. Like, I had to hurriedly cut the other clip you just saw because a call was actually coming in, and I thought it was an emergency, maybe from work. My staff are not able to get to the office or something, only for someone to tell me, please, are you Stellawhyt Dynamic? And I'm like, speaking, and she's like, please, this sell crayfish in bag. I said, excuse me, are you a Nigerian? It's 7 something, and all that we are thinking of is voting. Please call me back some other day. That should be what's on our mind, and not you calling me to ask, excuse me. Please, if she doesn't call me again, I don't mind. It's very important. Why would someone choose this morning, like this morning, to ask you about crayfish, or ask me about crayfish if I sell crayfish? I just said, let me inform you because it's funny. Let me know in the comment section, did I overreact? Like, oh God, seriously, let me know in the comment section, did I overreact? I was just stating the obvious, because I truly don't understand why you should wake up in the morning, election day that we are going to choose and vote for our president, you're asking me for crayfish. Please, oh, I don't want distraction this morning. Anyways, so this is the situation of a major road in Uyo. Yeah, this is the situation of a major road in Uyo. If you live in Uyo, you definitely know this place. This is Water Fountain, and I am definitely driving on my way, just like I told you. YPP people. All right, so this is the situation of Nwangiba, Uyo, between Fallen and Nwangiba. Yeah, I'm so proud, like I'm doing this. I didn't mention to you, I've been driving for, I think, up to 10 to 15 kilometers from my house. I'm almost approaching my in-laws' house, like their family house here in town, and I have not seen a single lady driving on the road. Like, I'm so proud of myself. I'm so happy and determined about this course. Yeah, so I'm definitely close to where I am going, and I am happy. Like I told you, I picked up this vlog about 7:20, and I have driven for 10 minutes now. It's 7:31 now, so there are no police on the road, nobody stopping me. I've not had any harassment, so I just said I should update you guys. I'll see you in a bit.
The land is green, it's green, oh.
So this is a school where I have my polling units This is the roundabout to the government house. As you can see, people are walking and moving around. That's the governorship candidates for Akwa Ibom State for PDP. So like I told you, this is the primary school where I would be having where I have my polling units, and I just said let me drive close by so you can see what's happening. There's really nothing happening here. I've seen a copper here, I've seen some policemen here. Yeah, so yeah, this area is the government house area. Why I choose this particular area is because I know the security here would be top notch. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, over there is the government house. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. And we have the police station, we have the correctional center, we have a lot of stuffs happening around here. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I'm headed back to my husband's family house, and I'll be chilling there till about 10 o'clock, where I'll come out again to exercise my franchise. I hope you did. Please don't be part of those people that would regret that they did not come out to vote. Please do so. Anyway, why wouldn't I post this video today? I can do it. I can actually do it. But if it doesn't come up today, I hope you actually did vote. So I'll be showing you the things that I came with, my essentials. Yes, my essentials are with me. Please, this car is in a mess right now. I just wanted to show you the things I have. I have my water here. I have my cap here. I have my sunscreen. I have my medication. I have my snacks. I have some more snacks in there, my food, my breakfast, then clothes to change, my charger, and over there I have some more snacks. I don't know if I'll be staying at the polling booth for a long time. And of course, I have my bank statements here, which I'm going to work on. Yeah. Before leaving the house, I thought to check the INEC site to see if I've been changed to another polling unit without my knowledge. And this is the prompt I saw. Like, it was so frustrating, but I told myself, Stella, let's go to your previous polling unit and see. Hey beautiful people, so I'm about stepping out now to my polling unit from the family house, which is like 2 minutes walk from here. So I'll get to see you guys later. I'm going with my little boo-boo, my little graduates. All right, so see you guys. Shortly I arrived and boom, I found my name and I went straight to vote. I'm so excited.
Here we are as a people with one heart.
Good morning. Yeah, please, I'm just coming in and I've identified my name. Do I stand on the queue?
You've seen it? Yes, you'll be on it.
We're determined to rebuild and restore.
Serial number over there is 727. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Here we are as a people with one heart for one cause.
You fold it vertically, this way.
We're determined to rebuild.
Make sure you fold it to the before you move.
World freedom, right and truth prevails. Our land where there's hope for us all. We'll defend our land. We believe in this nation.
Just exercised my franchise as a citizen of Nigeria. I'm super excited. I am particularly happy with the way this is being coordinated. Everybody is on the queue. Nobody is struggling. Like it's so nice to see that people are out here ready to do what they have to do. I'm super happy. Like, I'm so grateful to INEC. The coordination and everything is just, when I say on point. So this is an indication that I have just voted. I've voted for the presidential candidate, the senatorial candidate, and the House of Representatives candidate. So I hope you did the same. If you did not, you have yourself to blame for what's happening or what's going to happen in Nigeria. If we do this with all our hearts together, with our conscience and all, definitely God, who sees our hearts, will give us the best. Basically, that's it. Like I said, I didn't stay for too long. I was on the queue. Here am I, off, happy as a bona fide voter. So I'll get to see you. Yeah. Honestly, guys, I just finished voting, and this particular primary school, there are 4 polling units here, and I'm particularly impressed, just like I said earlier, with the coordination and everything. A lot of people are on the queue. Everyone is ready to wait. Everyone is ready to understand and get to take instructions from the agents. So your girl is signing out from the polling unit, and like I said, I came with my little boo-boo. Yeah, so I'm heading out now. I can't actually wait for them to count the votes. I believe that everything is going to go according to the way it is supposed to be. So from your girl signing out. So this is what the street looks like after I voted. The street is quite empty. When I say empty, I can't even find a single car coming or going. I just met someone who mentioned that her polling unit was changed. My auntie, let me give you gist. She's insisting she wants to vote not Peter Obi. She wants to vote what's that man's name again? Initially I told her, look, you will not find your name. I told her you're not going to find your name. Lo and behold, she has gone to, they changed a lot of people's polling units, and maybe because of crowd, if they see that a particular polling unit is so much, they change you and give you somewhere around the locality. She left the house about 10. This is past 12 p.m. She's still looking for her polling units because oh my God, so she's gone to 3 or 4 polling units and she cannot find her name to vote. That is what God can do. What God cannot do does not exist. So she's going to the last place. I pray she does not find her name so that she does not vote this man. They call him Jagaban. If you actually voted him, well, kudos to you. If you see how people are trekking to their polling units, especially people that their polling units were changed, they are really walking miles away. Anyways, I just said let me update you on this. It's a beautiful one. Hi there. Yeah, it's a beautiful one, and I love how people are so coordinated. I love how people are so determined. Let me know, did you vote? If you did not vote, let me know in the comment section, why did you not vote? Thank you so much. I'm panting because I've walked a while. This is me signing out for today. This is the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and we hope for the best. I actually hope to post this video today, but if I do not end up posting this video today, you're going to see it pretty soon. Alright guys, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and share it. I'll get to see you in my next video. Goodbye.